Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys homemade cranberry sauce. So please stick around and watch this video. Happy holidays, guys. To make this cranberry sauce, you're gonna need a 12-ounce bag of cranberry. You're gonna need 2 fresh orange. If you don't get fresh orange, you can use orange concentrate. The orange juice, I use 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 cup of sugar. I have 1 cup of sugar over here, and ½ cup of water. So these are my ingredients. First, I'm gonna start by sorting my cranberry. You wanna wash your cranberry with some cold water and drain. So you want to start out looking the cranberries if you see any bad ones, any bruised one or stuff like that. You just want to check to see if any bad one is in here, and after you check to see if any bad one is in here, if you find any bad one, like I find any bad one just like this, and I find another bad one, look, I find another one. So it's always best to check to see if you have bad cranberries. And now after checking, I'm just gonna wash this under the pipe with some cold water and drain. So I've rinsed the cranberry and drained them nice, see, nice and clean. Now in a saucepan, I'm gonna turn the heat on. I'm gonna add the water. I'm gonna add the sugar. I'm gonna add the orange. See? If you don't get orange, you can also use apple juice if you get apple juice. And this is gonna equal to 1 cup. So 1 cup of sugar, ½ cup of water, and ½ cup of orange juice. Okay, see, nice and squeeze all that juice. I'm gonna add the cinnamon, and I'm just gonna let this come to a boil. And let all the sugar dissolve. I'm gonna just let this come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'm gonna add the cranberries. That's come to a boil, and then I'm just gonna add the cranberries. And now I'm just going to reduce the heat and let it gently boil for about 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Let me take my cranberries up. And you're going to hear them popping like popcorns. They're going to start to split open. Just like this. See, this one split. So just going to leave this for 10 to 15 minutes. You are going to start to see some foams on top. You're just going to use a spoon and gently take this off. Okay, take off all the foam. Smelling so good with the cinnamon inside. And if you don't have any kids or no kids gonna be attending, you can add some Hennessy to it, some bourbon, any type of liquor you want to add to it, you know, just to give an extra flavor. Okay, so I'm trying to take off some of these. And the longer it stays on the heat, it's gonna get thicker and thicker, so you can cook this up until your consistency. If you want it to be thicker than this, you can cook it longer, but after cooling it's gonna be even more thick. So when it reaches to this consistency, you just want to turn the heat off for about 10 to 15 minutes on the stove. That is good enough because it's gonna get even more thicker when it's cooled. So I'm just gonna turn the heat off and put this in my bowl. All the flavor is coming up from that orange juice and that cinnamon. Guys, this one amazing. And I tell you, when you make your own cranberry sauce, you will never use that store-bought one again. And it is easier and it's more flavorful. You can add whatever you want to it. When you bought the store-bought one, you just have to eat it like that because it's already made. So when you make this, you can do whatever you want to it to flavor it up. Okay, and this is it, guys. If you want it to be more smoother without any cranberry like this, like any chunks, you can just use a blender, a handheld blender, and just smooth out the chunks if you want it to be real smoother than this. And there you have it, guys, my cranberry sauce. It's so simple and easy, and it's tasting so good. I'm telling you guys, all you need to do now is just put it into a container, let it cool, and then you refrigerate. See, this can be done to make the work easy. You can make it a day before, a week before, and now you get something off your hands. You don't have to do this the day on the Thanksgiving, guys. So this is a easy recipe. And there you have it, guys, my cranberry sauce. This was so easy to make and so fun to make, guys. Hope you enjoy watching my video. If you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell and share this video and give me a big like on my video or thumbs up if you like this video. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my homemade cranberry sauce.